Remember, Applejack, you're in the big city now. No moseying. You've got to walk with speed and confidence.
Move it!
Sorry about that.
Get out of my way.
Sorry.
Watch it!
Hey, oh, dear. Butter my biscuits. I can barely cross the street in this town. How am I supposed to help solve a...
This is an emergency broadcast transmission. On air. Transmission. The National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for Union County and the following counties: Morehouse, Washita, Coldwell, and Catahooves. Severe flooding conditions are occurring and may worsen. At the Starlight Lock and Amp. Dam number 4, the current stage is 47.3 feet, indicating a severe flood stage. Water levels can rise quickly, especially near the river and low-lying areas. For immediate safety, action mode is shelter. If you are in a flood-prone area or near the river, move to higher ground now if you can do so safely. If you cannot evacuate safely, shelter in place. Get to an upper floor and stay away from windows and doors. Gather essential supplies, including medications, a flashlight, batteries, and a portable radio. Keep pets indoors. Do not drive through flooded roads. Highway 2 and Highway 165 are closed to all low-clearance vehicles. Barricades and closures are in place. Do not attempt to cross water. Avoid walking or swimming in floodwaters. Residents in low-lying areas are advised to prepare for isolation. Have a way to receive updates and be ready for possible loss of power or cell service. If you need emergency help, call local emergency services. Stay calm and follow official instructions. Stay tuned to this station for further updates.
Yes, I think this is the one. No. Excuse me? That hat clashes with your mane. Not to mention it's far too large and will undoubtedly obstruct your vision.
following is a transmission from the emergency broadcast system. At the request of the Louisiana State Police and Ouachita County Civil Defense. At 12:10 a.m., a severe chemical incident has been reported near the IMC fertilizer plant in Starlighton, Ouachita County. The Louisiana State Police and Ouachita County Civil Defense are requesting immediate protective action. Action mode is shelter for everyone within the 5-mile radius of the IMC fertilizer plant. If you are within 5 miles, seek shelter immediately. Go inside now. Do not drive to other areas. Close all windows, doors, and any vents. Turn off air conditioners, forced air heat, and fans that bring in outside air. If available, move to an interior room on the lowest floor, away from exterior walls. Cover nose and mouth with a cloth to reduce exposure if you must pass through air. For those outside the 5-mile radius, mandatory evacuation is now in effect for Starlighton and surrounding areas. Follow directions from local law enforcement and evacuation routes. Do not return to the area until officials announce it is safe. Avoid basements unless directed. Do not touch spilled material. Keep pets indoors. Listen for further instructions. This is a life-threatening chemical situation. Take action now. Stay tuned to this station for further updates. This emergency broadcast transmission is authorized by Ouachita County Civil Defense. This is an extreme-level chemical emergency for the regional area. At approximately 12:10 p.m., a catastrophic explosion occurred at the IMC facility. Multiple secondary explosions are actively occurring. Multiple emergency personnel report that the blaze cannot yet be contained. A highly toxic chemical plume containing uncombusted nitroprophens and heavy nitric oxides is spreading.
It's raining iron down. They're just in road. It has called the moment. Think outside this.
Do not attempt to travel through the smoke. The vapor will cause immediate blindness and respiratory failure. If you are experiencing burning in your lungs, stay calm. Help cannot reach you at this time. Prepare for evacuation only if official instructions are issued. Monitor local radio or official channels for the next message. Stay tuned to this station for further updates.